Okay. Also, you have to know in a straight line y equals to mx plus c, the gradient can be positive or negative. I do an example when we have a negative gradient. If I have a for example, y equals to minus 2x plus 1. Okay, the graph of this will be, as we previously sorry, as we discussed before, the graph should be, well, should have a coordinate there, and that's your should have a y-intercept at 1, and when y equal to 0, the x-intercept is, well, half. Say here, say it's half. Okay, we draw a straight line. In this graph, the gradient is a negative number. The gradient is minus 2, is a negative number. It means for every unit x increased in well, the horizontal direction, the y value actually decreased. As we can say, as x increase, y value decrease. That's what it means by a negative gradient. Okay, so in conclusion, in a straight line, when m is greater than 0, when m is positive, the straight line would look in this shape, going upwards. When gradient is less than 0, the shape of the straight line will be something like looks like this. This is positive gradient, positive gradient, and the other one is negative gradient. Okay. Okay, let's do some other problems. Okay. For instance, please find the equations of the following graphs. Okay, let's do question A here. Okay, okay, just move it upwards. Okay, don't worry about it. So here we say the shape of straight line is in this direction. So the gradient of the shape is positive, and we need to find 2 points to do that. Okay, it's x-intercept and y-intercept. The y-intercept has the coordinate of 0, 4. The x-intercept has the coordinate of minus 4, 0. Okay, there are two ways. So the first step is to find its gradient m. M will be rise or run, okay, between these two coordinates, 0, 4 and minus 4, 0. Okay, so from the graph or from the coordinate, we can say from 0, just let's look at the y value. It's from 4 to 0. Let's 4 minus 0 is the distance between its vertical value, and look at the other value is 0 to 4. So use 0 minus 4, we have 0 minus 4, and the gradient is 4 and 4, which is 1 in this case. Okay, so your equation is y equals to x plus c. Okay, and we need to find the well, we need to find the value of c to complete the equation. So let's use any point. So these 2 points tells me. So let's use this point to find out c. Okay. When x is 0, y will be 4. This is what this point the y-intercept tells me. Y will be 4. Yes. Okay. And let's substitute these values into the equation we just found out. Okay. So after substitution, we will have y will be 4 equals to 0 plus c, because x is 0, and well, c is 4. Okay, now we know let us constant c is 4, so the equation of our graph will be y equals to x plus 4, because c is 4. We found it out by substitute a point in it. If we substitute, well, we can substitute any points to find the constant. Okay, let's say do some more practice. In graph B, we look at the shape of the straight line. It has a negative gradient, so your gradient is less than 0, and we try to find the gradient first before. Okay, it is a straight line, and m will be, let's find 2 points of this, x-intercept, y-intercept. Okay, m is basically rise over run. Okay, and it rises 4 units up and 2 units horizontally. 4 divided by 2, and because it's less than 0, because gradient is minus, we can put a minus sign in the front, so with the gradient is minus 2. Or we can find out just by another way, and from 2 points, the y-intercept is 0 and 4, and the x-intercept is 2, 0. Okay, so we can find out the gradient. Okay, just draw a line here. M will equals to, say, 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0, and divided by the sum of 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, which is 4 divided by minus 2, which is minus 2. Okay, in either way, the gradient is a minus number, means it is correct. So we have y equals to minus 2x plus c. Then we substitute a number in with c. This time we substitute this one. When x is 2, y is 0. So 0 equals to minus 2 times 2 plus c. And c will be positive 4. Okay, c, just draw it clearly, c is positive 4. So your graph will be y equals to minus 2x plus 4. Okay. After that, we can put the graph in graphic calculator, and you will find put the equation in your graphic calculator, and you will find well, it's exactly the same line on the screen here. Okay, let's do question C. Okay, question C provide our with 2 points, points A and points B. So let's do it, and from the shape of the straight line, it is the gradient is positive. Okay, so M is the vertical distance. Okay, I put it here. M equals vertical divided by horizontal. Okay, rise over run, same thing. They are the same thing. Okay, the vertical distance is defined by, say, point B minus point A, which is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. The horizontal distance is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. And we have, well, 2 divided by 6. Okay, we have 1/3. So your gradient in this case is 1/3. And so equation will be y equals x divided by 3 plus c. And we substitute any point in, say, point B. When x is 2, y is 4. So let's do it here. Okay, 4 equals to 2 divided by 3 plus c. Okay, let's say, yep, it is. Okay, so c will be 4 minus 2/3, which is, well, 10/3. Okay, well, yeah, I think in year 11, well, you're able to do this kind of math. I'm not going to explain it anymore. Okay, so we have say is 10/3. So our equation will be y equals to x divided by 3 plus 10/3. Okay, yep, this will be your equation. Your final answer will be there. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, let's look at graph D. Okay, just need some space. Okay, let's look at graph D. Okay, it has the 2 points. The x-intercept is here, and the y-intercept is here. So this is 2, 0, and the y-intercept is 0, minus 6. Okay, the gradient is positive because it's positive direction. So gradient is 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. Okay, the vertical distance. Okay, okay, just try to squeeze. Okay, m equals to 0 minus 6 divided by horizontal distance 2 minus 0. Okay, 2 minus 0, which will be 6 minus 2, which will be 3. Okay, yeah, the gradient in this case is 3. And our graph will be y equals to 3x plus c. And we substitute, say, any point 0 and minus 6 in. So when x is 0, y is minus 6. So minus 6 equals 3 times 0 plus c, and c is minus 6. And our graph will be here, y equals to 3x minus 6. Okay, yep, yep. So